Rise up, my family, rise up, rise up. I just wanted to show you how rain has not stopped playing for these children. You know, they were playing football. Now they've found another game to play in the rain. Yeah, they're just having such a great time. Such a great time. Such a great time. It's just so great to see. So this field here is a football ground in the estate, well, beside the estate, you know. And I just think it's so great, you know. From where I am, I can sit on the roof terrace and watch them playing football, you know. And they're just fully enjoying themselves in the rain. And yeah, it's great to see. It's great to see. And so what's I going to say? I was told about the history of this football field. The area that the estate is built on, I was told it used to be all football fields around here. And the builders came, the contractors came, and started, the children started to see all their football fields disappearing. So they fought very hard to keep this one. They fought very hard to keep this one, so they can come and play football anytime they're ready. So the contractors, I was told, built this wall around the ground. Sorry about this focus. Yeah, they built the wall around. Oh, they're off now. They've had enough. They've had enough. My goodness, it's like a river. Wow. Wow, this is so great. Someone not giving in. It's fabulous. Fabulous. Anyway, rise up yourself. Rise up yourself. Have a beautiful day. Beautiful day to you. Yes, I give thanks every time.